What did he just do? What did Brayden do, Levi?
Did he open his eyes?
What did he do? Can you tell me? Hey, Levi, I think you've got a big boogie up on your nose. Look, there's a big boogie up there.
Did you get it?
Hi, buddy.
Hey, buddy.
Take a picture.
Take a picture.
Take a picture. Brayden.
Hey, Levi, what happened to Brayden? How come he has an owie on his foot?
I put this bunny on here.
He has a Band-Aid
He has a
on there?
Band-Aid on there? Why does he have a Band-Aid on there?
Take pizza, mommy. Take pizza, mommy.